ye ma wo kwan se be ye adwuma adwuma no want man ye obi a be ye adwuma yi na se se wo tena bonten se ye ma wo kwan ye adwuma mengin de se Ghana for be pene
wait that's why catfish after all these things share the eba now and shall send me Afenyo Markin. Apply your legal brain. Stay away from politics. Minority leader Afenyo Markin, I catch a judge say, Omo, Adiom Kosian school no munyusu, no munjai jimina, omo de politics. No. Now let me read his full statement to you. Obetron social media. This is a guy who is in opposition. He is the opposition the minority leader. He's threatening judges. Erade, Messiah we me echo me man parliament BM. Ghanaians were shocked. A man for people worship me at home. But I don't need that. Me say Afenyo Markin, me man who parliament BM. Muntie de Otroye. You, Afenyo Markin, you are in opposition. You are threatening judges. Somebody who can go to court in the morning and get judgment at night. Kwasi ampenyi, utumi de asem kwahye wo girlfriend Torkonu nsem anopa enyumre na mo ho aba. You today you are threatening judges in Ghana. Afenyo Markin. Kwasi ato utumi koko Torkonu anopa tututu ni kuna da no nyane no. Na wo de krata kwahye nsem enyumre 5 na wenya judgment. Kwasi today you are threatening judges all because o party mun kofo ojimi. Now let me show you. This is what he wrote to all judges. Or say, know that if you follow unseen instructions or act on yes, sir, massa, orders, you will be on your own. Just say, we need the audacity to threaten judges. When did judges become affiliated to political parties? They will be on their own. Why? Are they with somebody or were they with somebody already? I don't know what you're on to here. Oh, so you want to create the impression that the judges were with you. So today, they should not leave you. Is that the kind of threat you are sending judges? This is a minority leader who says he's a lawyer. Okay? Or such or say, your decisions shall become part of the public record and posterity will judge you accordingly. Or say, the mobile in deno, eba become na mo, nyamibe tuyamoka. The mobile biano, nyamibe shonwe tuyamoka. Afenyo Markin and some kind, maybe chijomma wati asiye. And the ojina ni fie ADD judges atem or threaten judges. Kwasiawi politics na for Ghana. Or say, please apply your legal brain, common sense, and abide by your judicial oath. Or say, nyamenyan sodima mun yusu munyansa kakra na jimini dosum. Or say, please apply your legal brain, common sense. Afenyo Markin, asem way and the kufa do biko troya kiachina tum. Or catch judges and say they should apply common sense because right now they are not applying common sense. Afenyo Markin or catch Ghana judges or say Munyina mwe Jimmy Torkonu they not apply the common sense because Afenyo Markin never wrote this when Torkonu was in office. But today Afenyo Markin is realizing say your judges they don't have common sense, so they should apply the legal brains. Hey! Or could anyone say your court is a court of justice. Article 296 must guide you. The NDC government is on its way out of power. The tables will turn in 2028. There's no table, my friend. Table maybe you don't know. Or say for your own peace, Theo, see the threat. Afenyo Markin is telling the judges for their own peace. Meaning, if they don't do what they like, they will come after them, they will kill the judges, they will attack the judges. That is the signal. See, this is basically throwing red meat out. Okay. Nana do danko kufuado before 2016 elections. Okotena Peace FM. They no kaye. Or say the young people of Ghana, they should not forget the Arab Spring. Even though Ekufuado anka say imebunu no munye ready say mobetum huagu krum na masay kruno, he was serving the youth red meat. And you been Afenyo Markin here now. He is inciting people who want to go after judges and telling them say you're for your own peace, meaning say judge for na the MPP part, they will start killing them. For your own peace, stay away from politics. You see? So basically, Afenyo Markin, who is the minority leader, is telling the NPP base that is filled with criminals, killers, murderers who killed JB Dankwa, John Kuma, and the people. No, he's feeding them red meat, but he's telling the judges, be careful, because if you don't do that, we will send our boys, we will send Delta Force into Ochina. If a judge is murdered, if a judge is killed, say judge be it is Afenyo Markin who is sending the signal to the base of the party that these judges, you can go after them. Sankofo will turn around and say, JJ Rowland's time and the cool judges. You see, this is basically go and murder the judges. Maybe I want to brofo. Maybe I want your summary. Maybe I want to your literature. Maybe you don't understand grammar. What Afenyo Markin said today, he is telling the NPP base, so why wouldn't judge bino? Why wouldn't baby omuwono? Why wouldn't so man get pa go after them? That is what he's saying. Because I see the NDC government is on its way to power. One, Odin Kaka the judges said, we are NDC near or party free power. And to remember, we will come after you. That is why he first wrote that. Or we not say the tables will turn in 2028, meaning we have an agenda. And that when the power changes, we will come after you. And all the sources say, for your own peace. One can say was sumdue no. So on pass sumdue. So on perceive be kun. So on perceive be attack. So on perceive be bow so. You be bow maso as a political party. Then make sure say you stay away from politics. Judge Ben or Ghana. What be Jina Bontin say or your NDC communications director Judge Ben. You see what he's doing? He's serving the party murderers, the party killers. Into today as we speak, the NPP, they have set all judges up. They can kill any judge any day. And I'm telling you, the Chief Justice needs to release a statement to the judiciary and tell all judges to be on standby. Because Obi, Ebo Keles, now on the security, Diagra, the Afenyo Markin, NPP, they have set the tone. Right now, we are judge. Now, we are judge. Now, we visit to be baby. Remember, the NPP minority leader, Afenyo Markin, has told the party base that they need to make sure they maim some of you. Hey? Judge for the man who and that is the message this guy is sending. This is a threat. This is basically telling judges, we will kill you if you don't do what we like. That is Afenyo Markin. Let's say, every single judge in Ghana, they should protect themselves. The Chief Justice, he should be very, very careful. He should release a statement and caution and advise every judge in Ghana to be on alert. They should not play with their security. Because as we speak, Afenyo Markin releases a statement, I catch MPP forces say judge be to man tema, because if a young MPP guy eti baby na judge te wa target no onyane yiro bekuno onyane bo bekuno, because their party minority leader is saying say for judges normal own peace of mind, for their peace, because in this country I don't see why sende Mr. Pa na Afenyo Markin yire ne mma. I write such a statement to Afenyo Markin's wife that for your own peace, madam, make sure you stay out of politics your husband is doing. What am I telling your wife? I am telling her that if she does not stop following you, I will kill her. I will murder her. I will maim your children. That is the message I'm sending to your wife. So for Afenyo Markin, who says he's a lawyer and a minority leader, to put a statement like this out, the moment why Emra Omo party faithfuls akoya debima Emra chomono, he's basically sending red meat out. The same way the Kufuado captured the young people in Ghana in 2016 before the election said Omon Kai the Arab Spring. That time no, a young man ewo Arab phone chrome petroguru washan ho, and my young people were attacking the nation. Nana Dankwa Kufuado did not say Munkoku president, but he gave them red meat. Be on standby. Mamu Refi Arab Spring. And what was the result of the Arab Spring? People were dead, killed, maimed. Nana Dankwa Kufuado said that because he wanted the youth to get on the street. So when we need elections now, and this is the same thing Afenyo Markin is doing. Today, Afenyo Markin has put every single judge's life at risk. Nana Afenyo Markin. Afenyo Markin today, the whole MPP as a political party, you see, say minority MPs Obian can be when they say they are lawyers, Oh, say, and they almost started threatening judges. No, they are quiet. These are the same people who come and cry and say, oh, during PNDC airtime, their judges were killed. Today, they have put every single judge in Ghana. Almost be alive at to line. So, right now, the NPP, their next target is to kill judges because the minority leader has given the green light. And I'll plead with the Chief Justice. This statement, you should not take it lightly. Because in the days to come, judges might be murdered. Judges might be killed. This Afenyo Markin guy has told the NPP base that today, the judges slip of peace of mind, no man they will understand what the NPP represents. This is dangerous. Guys, this Afenyo Markin, do you remember when he threatened somebody? He went to the General Legal Council. Torkonu, his girlfriend, was sitting on the Legal Council panel. They told Afenyo Markin to walk. Instead of them to disbar him, they told Afenyo Markin to walk away. I showed you documents here. Afenyo Markin has never respected the court after his girlfriend Torkonu, he was sleeping with, left the space. And this is what we have been talking about. The disrespect. They don't respect the Chief Justice. Today, now they are telling their base to go after judges. This is where the NPP is. Jack, your uncle, Captain Smart, is saying he's putting his feet down. Your uncle, Captain Smart, is saying he's putting his feet down. I don't really know what you are trying to say. I don't know what's going on. What's wrong? Captain Smart, didn't see? I don't think there's anything wrong. And Captain Smart, somebody just wrote something here. Team, do you have any information on Captain Smart? I don't think something's going on. And Captain Smart, Captain Smart, someone to be Ojai Radio. When you Captain Smart, not here. If you say, America, don't know. I call you. Captain, they have the part. Since you always are in our co live tintin Tibet Rivers, I don't have Captain, yes, Winjano, Obeba. Anna di biara o hanu ayesa de no eso na e fine ana ye captain woni medjuma che captain be chiba to captain o experience fucking o captain to be can some now hey no we jai o di captain wa ye djuma na che experience o captain munja no obesa ba captain gas we jai eye Onua TV a captain so gas we jai Onua TV a I will employ you respectfully and I will pay you $50 an hour, and then I'll make sure you work 2 times a week. You can go and spend holidays, and every day you work like 3 hours a day, two times a week, or whatever you want to do. I will pay between $35 to $50 an hour. And the captain, captain, I'm very sure say Onua. So also Monday through to Friday. I'll give you a spot on my TV, and then at your own time, maybe you want to do 3 times a week. Or 4 times a week, morning shows, I can give it to you on my platform, easy. And then what is going to happen is you're going to be punched. And remember, a year between $35 to $50 an hour. And you can do it at your own pace. And, nothing is going to, no restrictions. You can say whatever you want to say. Me, I'm a friend captain. What captain so number? Minipa. I'm a voyager and say, Captain Smart, Minipa. Captain. Hard fucking. It's your holidays when you America, you know. And I World Cup, and one mafia was Captain Smart. Or a hard time. Well, Captain number. Minipa no. Captain Eini. Captain the profile picture ni. Captain. Minipa no ba me feel the time. Captain's on the chip radio to end day. It's where the captain. So Jai Onua dia I can pay between $35 to $50 an hour. And I can give you 3 slots on my TV. Time be I will pay be out so you show no. It could be morning, could be and meme time because meme time today I am the El Capitano. Will be to me and compete with my time. So if you want to come before me, I can make you come before me. And if you want to come in the mornings, so $35 an hour. And just see this, so Captain, I want to pay you $35 an hour, between $35 and $50 an hour. I can do that. I think I can do that. If you want to work five hours a day, I can do that. Just think about it and let's take care of business. And other media personalities now, we are very strong, you are very vocal. And we political commentators are more very good setup. It has to go through some kind of a vetting. We will be giving people a year free airtime on Loud Silence TV. But one, your setup should be a setup, a professional. You need to have a setup that is worth watching. You need to put a little bit of money in your setup. And also, you have to be consistent when it comes to programming. Sibia Obeba, you know me, I'm a hardworking guy. And so we are putting together a program where young Ghanaians who are social, political, social commentators who really want to have their own show, we will vet. We are not going to say because you are a social political commentator or TikTok and Facebook into your no. When you look at the setup of Inkoto, and I say you look at the setup of a year free minder, you see the professionalism is there, and that's the kind of setup we are talking about. Inti, if you want to show Ghanaians that you can also deliver and that you have rich content, we are going to open a year the doors very soon. We will put it officially on our TV, and I will add an email to it and also a link that you can basically reach out to us. Now, the materials, share how it is shot, how your sound quality is, and then your content. I will give you free airtime. I'm not going to take a dime from you. In fact, if you bring your own sponsors, it's fine. You can take about 80% of a year sponsorship money, to take care of your production and your team. What we would do is say the 20% of that, we will take care of a year Ghana, our production team in Ghana. That's all. We are not going to take any money from you. Those guys who are ready to put out their own production, media, TV, make sure your content is solid, it is rich, it is content. Your picture quality is good, your sound is good, your everything is perfect. Reach out to us. We will put it on TV. We have started scheduling, and this TV is here to serve the young people of Ghana, the ones who really want to show the world their talent, whether social issues, entertainment issues, and political issues. We just want to get the best out of the young people in Ghana. If you believe in yourself and you know you have those ideas, that spirit that you can basically speak on issues and make sense. Not everybody who speaks on issues makes sense. Then we are willing to help every single person. This platform, I built it for Ghanaians, young people, to also show what they can do. And I'll be out of air. I'll get to a point I'll have to retire. I need to get people to fill in. And also, we started to bring up new presenters. So, and that is what I'm trying to do now. I want to make sure, say, by the time I retire, very soon, I have about 5 solid young people on my TV who will be taking over from me. So that is what I want to do. And I want to do it in such a way that I will make sure I resource, I fund, I make sure I clean you up for you to be TV ready. And see, if you believe in yourself, I think by Monday, Tuesday, my team will put the announcement out, the details, what to follow and where to send your emails and everything. They will tell you. And then when you send it, there's a team ready to vet every video, every year application. And when we are done vetting all the applications, me, myself, personally, I'll come and meet you in Ghana. The reason why I'm targeting people in Ghana and say I want to give a lot of opportunities to young people in Ghana. I'll come to Ghana and I'll meet the group. And basically, I'll talk to everybody and then let you understand that this is a new journey that you have to be ready to. It's not easy. It is not easy. And therefore, so you need to be mentally, emotionally, spiritually, whatever, prepared for this, and that we will give them the opportunity. So I am ready to give opportunity to young people. For some time now, I've been doing this for some time. Maybe I don't think I have over 10 years on this platform, and just say more than 10 years to be doing this. And what I think is going to happen is because I'm retired, I'm off TV totally. No, maybe I'm going to limit my time on appearing in TV, but that will only happen after 10 years. Yeah. After I've made sure, say, the MPP ne gu kra before I retire. MPP ngu ya me retire, so you need to understand that. And as I'm 10 years, say MPP ngu ya me retire. Until some me gu MPP no, ma gu no ashe no aprasye, and sana me komeka se me jai juma way. But as far as the NPP exists, if it is once a week, I'll be here. I will make sure say me gu MPP no. Intermediate me nyanko be bia. When I'm going to retire, it's because I'm going to limit my time. But in the next 10 years, after NDC, I got 3 terms more, which is about 12 years. That is when I will decide to pull back a little bit. Maybe my time and so, and I'm a decent, so, but I'm not going to be off TV totally. So who's a Kevin Taylor return as MPP go. But as far as these termites, political insect, tribal bigots, these people who basically think about killing, laughing about it and all that, as far as they are around, I will still be around. I am not going anywhere. And they made in kind of told my MPP for Matthias here. Yeah, I'm not going anywhere. All right, and a Friday. All right, and a Friday. Now, at the end of Ecoso Ghana, team, I want to do social stories for about 10 minutes. Give me like 10 minutes to touch on some social stories that people think, say, yeah, we don't touch on them. Team, which one should I touch on? Team, which one should I? Thank you very much, madam. Which one should I touch on, team? There are some stories in the system. They are social. You see, we do serious political issues. But sometimes, you know, I feel, say, Mokrampo we are bloggers and TikTokers stories about Kramuntimi Shadan Kanye, Wajimi, marginal form. But and then Friday I just want to touch on a few social stories. Team, which one should we touch on? They are my bloggers BB Kakram Kodi. Team, which one? Mr. P, Mr. S. Mr. S, Mr. P. Which one? Because stories the banana man can be pay. Now, I said, "Oma ka omu hudi omonka." Opa story bi obetu maka story bi a ewu da story bi a obianka ho se bi. Opa mama and the main cast story bi from Monday no one ever happen. That is my power. That is what we control here. Stories bi about abako. Ama you say 5 months. Opa, mame for 2 minutes in Kebi. Me Kebi see here the story will revive itself. It will be hot cake. Everybody will be discussed. That is the power. That is the consistency. And then I check how we are able to control. Team. Which one? Mr. P, Mr. S. Mr. P. Which one? Because stories the dozen. Because I'm becoming answer I start a political show and then there are a few social stories and person them to be consent. Okay. Mr. P, Mr. S said that Lumba. No. Besides that, I won't go there. I know I don't do that Lumba stuff. No, I don't go. Mr. S, I won't do that Lumba. Let it put it somewhere. Jimmy, put it somewhere. I don't do that in Lumba. And they're low, mama. Too low. One cast story for fro. Mr. P. Mr. Lumba, they make that Lumba story, the same story. Make Kebi. Anymore. It was a funny, that Lumba was a funny, so much about them. I'm on serious. 80 story being what? Me 8 minutes to speak on a controversial story at Ecosmo, just 8 minutes. So 8 minutes in the story be me team net mama story be I'll move on and go straight and take care of the a year OSP story no. In 8 minutes. You say Akobia police for car. You say Akobia police for car. Now what brand here to say what you want me anytime I mean your stories we be no so story we see we akwaji we kunu we ni we akwada and we gya na me sanyo man me nya bi because I na nyansa bi anim I say no so stories na aya na Europe for na ye so eye ombo 2 hours so him say so of our Europe and I say o anti we Europe o sister bi Europe na say they be a no TikTok 2 hours no ombo 40 hours a week enti wo say nkwase stories bi aba UK and a Belgium for no Germany for no mogus omunye djuma omunyam omugugu buom omunye djuma 90% omugugu buom serious ones no they don't have time nti so time Europe for no Europe for no na especially UK for the Germany for no omugu TikTok no omu Jimmy omo ho asem okwanya asori no muteso omunye djuma dodo ni nye djuma America abrochanga sani America hankwa na 40 hours a week ahankwan ye 9 to 5 aha na ye adwuma agi 40 hours Europe obi agi 40 hours ho omu nyina 2 hours into okobo 2 hours na obafia na obeso TikTok no we jimia enti ebo anwumra no asakobo 2 hours account the whole week to be 12 hours pe enti Europe for no dey am fa nche omo adekodi enti na omu jimi mo TikTok ne say on said nipa dodo no so omo Europe no omo ntebrofo omo ntumi type Dipa dodo no mo Europe no especially omo mugu Germany no ene omo mugu UK no dodo no ntumi type also omo ntumi ntro into TikTok no ene perfect avenue for them into hona ya na also omo gu no mu Jimmy center frɛ into normal into ko hu omo TikTok na asɛm bi aba no mu kabi na we tiem na de na time kra ne emmema no utumi hu papa mpenifo omo hwa so nyina efu dwene na mpenifo emmema titira macho fo na omo jimi omo on TikTok adam say na momo nya nkwara wo magini nyini mote say nkofo uncles nkofo kununum na papa mpenifo na ejimifo na we ni we kontokwa na we mihia no me won recording omo jimi ntide bi omo kasa no mo recording sa emmema omo jimi dodo no wo Europe Germany UK ena kakra bi go America omo jimi no omo jimi mo no kra ni omo a sebi omo twi long distance omo twi across cross country sa track omo de omo jimi che bibia omo mu bi omo ni dwuma bia di omo tena omo hwa so omo gote ewu enti omo no de omo ni man se omo ba betena TikTok na nkwase akeka omo dwa ogira de bewu enya Germany fo nyina se me ka omo jimi no Germany fo no omo nim nyansa pa no de da ebi mo omo mako school kakra o Germany omo ye omo dwuma 40 hours a week clean dodo no omo jimi no sa na sefo no go Germany no omo de 2 hours no ma betre fie jimi na o twa me yi aba Friday na okwa yi ase so a na wasa kodi konkonsa na nsempo do we yi a last me hu ba ku TikTok na omo de aponchi statue abesi so say odwan we ye de be che say jimi sa inti sa kakra na omo jimi no mamunsia omo mamuntie omo oba Germany ye Ghana fo mu nim nyansa mu bo adwuma mu ne den a omo ye adwuma pa sa nkofo na mo nhwe omo dodo na jimi Ghana fo dodo omo gu Germany omo jimi Ghana fo dodo omo gu UK omo jimi kakra bi na ye established o kakra bi na ekrom America ye Ghana fo be 90% a omo ni $2,000 da omo account no mti krom ha enso esi abonsan wa Ghana na ne hu fin obeba obi ayi ase obeba obi wedding na odi container sisi the car to obewie aduane akodi ni hu fin o sha no pa I so pro ko UK ko hwe go sem ponche o mu dwa mo bogas ni bi mo jimi na sefo no o mu guo na otumi wo bi jacket bi a hye na se uniform wati abrochi why so pro obetra TikTok ankwase akeka na mo so maso na odada no ho na ogina kitchen odunso kura wote obi otumi so TikTok na ohyebatu na kururu bese kwasea to magimi na mo de abrochi na mo ko no mai se ntafre na asefo no sa na asefo no na ase kwan boat fo no omagimi na omo sorry a asema beto no omo nya abotire ndwene ho obekono mugu platform se emmoa yantiase hwe yampene wo dwuma papa bi di wa abrochire a de na kwase bi ensie de busuani a ebe o problem wo dwuma papa bi di a omo agimi and there ya say omo nya so omo rent ne bo anya di o 300 euros 400 euros 600 omo rent akosora 800 euros ejimi for no go Germany ni UK no o the UK san kwase for no mo TikTok be bro mo jimi no ni rent akosora 450 euro pounds no obi che o so obi basement se kusie no abetena TikTok o keka kwase asem sa odi kwase asem o twene ni pana ne support sendem enkwase asem nko a entabodan bi no mo tititim tantan uto obofo mo nte ejimi fo omo fin na embema ne kwade mu a embema no go Europe ni America na obekono mu go TikTok no maso yeltiasia wey me recording no me me bo recording na kira mo hwe na me se hem kwase a mo jimi hwe mo jimi bi embema na mo jimi sei na me record wey na we record wey na we record wey mo jimi embema mo si so a wo se mo man ma hwe mo na mo ka se bra de ni ati we de ne bie we na mo de mo jimi na me record wey na we frame record wey na wo hwe mo jimi o mo Google TikTok na mo jimi sa. To my team, they are on the ground trying to search for a lady bia I think multimedia echo interview na oton pure water. Now interview ni no okay say on the pure water no amount for ton mo de 1 cedi 70 pesos any ade but on the oton pure water no 550 pesos. Now explanation on my no entina mame Akachem team said they should get on the ground and find this lady for me. Mommy Uncle Share, after that, no me was simbi for the lady.
Your back, I say. And I will turn 50. No, be I be more on 70. Because me busa will be also 70 now turn 50.
Oh, me depended me turn. I know me di matem de bia but and family home. They are meant to me pen and no, me turn because
it is the same cool water now.
Me and me turn is because we turn 70%. Na best our 50%. It's me come more than to say first now. You know I turn 50%. You say now you come and buy. You say I mean come turn 50%. It's me call. And yes, can see me there. And call for the matem le be as I turn 70, but I'm family home. Baby na turn one city. A class a cost I has sense or more time no me busa we say me say 50%. A man for baby to me be Toby. Yes I be a way impo because you na because you need 12 cities. Enyenyu na nkanze sanka sakula dada ama manka masanso akwako yi but obi to only 70% obeso na be 1 hour no montoy by me dey 50% na besa short time ama masanso akwako yi ti na me ton sa.
So me share interview with Facebook and I told myself say enye about insuo oton enye sebio your nkofo so moto insuo 5 cities or Ghana 50 pesos near the ade but me tie young lady we no me who the business mind that a one trim, and she believes in business. Say it's about how quick you are able to sell your products, and if even the margins are small, in Fasoni Sakura, the quicker you are able to get your product out there and sell them in the market. You know what happens is say a competitor and as obi also ton at a higher price. You know you end up making more money than the person. The organic no, the na metie ye no pa na ye adwene na eda ne tim no. Adwene nyina na say I can sell it at 50 pesos and sell more, and then even though my margins are small, we'll be able to make a lot than somebody who thinks say my mentor this amount not the whole day no eswano. And if we have this kind of business mentality, when the young people in Ghana omu nyini no yema amenom yenuanom ma embema omoton ade wo dwom no it is very important say oton ade a ohia mfaso but sometimes when onfaso ana margin said that usika no so ade na woton no mfaso no margin no say be ridiculous what happens in say usika na ngasa udwatire to be shi na sebio edwuma na wudi no krampo no utumi wabemu tumi bu every say you end up selling less and maybe nyoma na akofa no e wo time ana say e wo limit ana say e wo period bia e wo say nyoma no utumi ton. Now, so what it is not about say Oka say mitoni say and mitoni say you or say media what I know and say I want to sell more even though the margins in this one she has looked at a bag and we're checking margins and the number of bags will be to turn in the day and in the here because the margins in boom and I'm for Sony boom it end up to become big, and that is the kind of mentality a Chinese for war. That is the kind of mentality I'm a Chinese for today. They are ruling the world. In the Chinese for they are not looking at margins. They are looking at quantity. In the say otumino ye adie pepepe na the same quality. Na so when you say market phone we nyina o market so obi aton 2 cedi, Chinese be ton 1 cedi because o believe say so otumi ye phones 100,000 na otumi ton 1 cedi a nipa na oton de 2 cedis no obetuma ye another 100,000 nipa na ye be 50,000, and at that point ono Chinese is making more money. It is also the mentality na e dan trim and senior wa bon wa encouraging who said this is how I want to do my business, and strategically and in terms of economics ebi about omiankwa nti we say the way this girl is going and a lady way kono, this is how we are supposed to do business, especially from outside of the world. I'm not saying say Afenyo waboka, but so kofa die na wajuni will say open 100% profit. O kwa kotum send be onfaso be buma. You end up even entering your own capital because there are so many things we sell on the street a time bound. Nyome bia untumi kipunche. Your nyome bebre bia ton a period e ton. In this way, we say economics and sa nyansa na obetuma kofa nyoma aba emobi akofa the same thing aba obeje say nipa no use edru ba o use edru. It is because nipa no is cutting down their margins. Emfaso no omo hu ni say sa emfaso boom no it will make sure say we stock no and now nyoma na kofa no aka utiri so. So this lady makacha mi team said they should find her for me. Me be say man 5,000 Ghana cedis ejuma na oye no obetumi dia shem anase obetumi akobie another one ono adwene say opese oye. Enti whoever knows her no enkanche say Kevin Taylor say opese man 5,000 Ghana cedis ne dwuma na oye nsisia no me pese ode ehye ne dwuma nim ebia enye nsuo no opese oton but our ideas be say onya adwuma foforo bi a obeye. I'm giving her this money not because sebio ono nkwa na ton ade Ghana. It is because of mentality na dan tirim no. It is because of idea na dan tirim no. Senior opese odidwa. And that is what we need to be teaching in school. That is what we need to be teaching in the market. That is what we need to be telling our people, say, adeɛ tɔn no, it is not about infasu boom. It's about infasu a reasonable ebetumi with juma no akoso. Until wherever this lady is, makacha mi team no, they are on the ground. Ebi obi nimuno. Ebi obi nimuno na oshame. Let us try and find her. My team, they are on the ground, they are trying to locate her. Maybe say man 5,000 cedis. Ejuma bi opesa odi no. Sa mentality na that team no, on keep that mentality no. Onfa enhye ejuma nim. Onya ne kakra na on make sure say she is able to sell enough to make decent and profit as time goes on. Some for one kitten no and in the bebom na utumi di enya de nsika kese. So I just want to tell Obia Onima Bayo we say Kevin Taylor say opese omano de omano 5,000 cedis. On fan shede dwuma mu. Say nso opese oto aso ton a on fan hyem. So our ejuma fufuro bia na wo di tim an opese oye sikasem nti nensa enya nkan a ono de onfa sa sika no 5,000 cedis no enko hyem na onfa sa mentality we ya adwene we ya enya mfa so bum na onfa ndi dwuma no na oye sa na definitely she's going to survive. Definitely ono so ebeye breadwinner for ne ma ene nipa bi a omoni dan so. Inti team, I know you are seriously trying to track this lady for me. I'm hoping say by Monday, yensa ebekano ehu baby owo, and I've made the money ready in Ghana. Into scanning the oho, we just need to locate her and then hand over that money to her. On fanye juma, on sa positive mindset, na on making sure say with to me edieche enya sa principle no dia juma. Into baby obehu obayo we biano, and I know it's a joy for and they were in town and they interviewed her. I know there's somebody obinim na oshame. Inti samunim na anadwi ya monfre no na won kan say on reach out what she can do nene say on fre ebia on Facebook inti we are trying to find somebody a obetumi afre no ofre sa nipa na nipa no can confirm ombusa obia say wan enim Elikem Kotoko oye NDC ni Elikem Kotoko number then saka Elikem Kotoko number on freno. Ofre Elikem Kotoko. Elikem Kotoko be frame me. Elikem frame me. I'll talk to her and then make sure say that money is made available to her. Inti 5,000 Ghana cedis and I old Ghana say 50 million. 5,000 Ghana. Onfa enche de dwumem and I say edwuma na kuma da so no. Onfa nkoye. Inti wa obena sebio usu nim nyoma we mu kakra no. Kache ne say on China onko eye NDC4 omo headquarters wo. Na ombusa se ohwehwe Elikem Kotoko. Nensaka Elikem Kotoko number. On China omiti Elikem. Baby obi Elikem Kotoko beba ho. Oba trace no. Oba ban ho. Oba be huno. Then Elikem Kotoko be frame. Then we can make that contact with her. Na ya hande sa sika no edi amano. Nti baby obi ano. Tell this lady say I just want to support her any ejuma oye. And because say so odimobia or person will reach out to me near one with 5,000 Ghana cedis on for Elikem. This is the number for her to call. Into what we need about you for number we mano. Like I said, Kevin Taylor said for Elikem Kotoko. Bibia will be our Bemwaba office. Na Uhua, they will hand over or he will hand over the 5,000 cedis. Media man say on Famauno. Number no is 020 907 0464. 020 907 0464. Abaywana Oton Suna Meka say we want to support her with 5,000 Ghana cedis. Because of Adjuni Identity Adjuni Pa, Obetuni business manakode nimuno. I want to give her 5,000 Ghana cedis. The money has been given to Elikem Kotoko. Or say this is the number this lady can reach him on. Well, we need a abayo and catch and say Kevin Taylor say or the Sikana Elikem into Freno or Betro Moaba office. Now Uhua he will hand over the money to you personally. Number now I will say abayo and Freno 020 907 0464. 020 907 0464. Well, we need about you and be or lady no catch and say Kevin Taylor the number be to ja on friend number no Elikem befa or be friend manaba in the office na or the Sikano.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. the nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir, the nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir, the nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past.
We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past. J.J. Rawlings said this, and we have to always remember the words of Jerry John Rawlings.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. You know it, I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.